In this video, we will introduce you to the top 5 best washer-dryer combos. We made this list based on research, quality, and customer reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned in this video, be sure to click the links in the description box below. Before we continue, kindly subscribe and click the bell icon so you won't miss out on our new videos. So, here are the top 5 best washer-dryer combos. Number 5. Comfy Washer-Dryer Combo. The Comfy Washer-Dryer Combo is a step up in performance and versatility. Its 2.7 cubic feet capacity handles up to 26 pounds of laundry, making it ideal for small families. With steam care that reduces wrinkles and odors, plus overnight wash and dry, you'll always have fresh clothes ready when you wake up. Multiple wash options and an energy-efficient inverter motor ensure your laundry is handled with care while keeping costs low. Compact yet powerful, it's easy to install with no venting required. For apartments, dorms, or small homes, Comfy brings modern laundry convenience in one smart package. Number 4. Coolmore Washer-Dryer Combo. If you're looking for a practical and budget-friendly laundry solution, the Coolmore Washer-Dryer Combo is a great pick. With 16 wash cycles and 4 drying options, it adapts to everything from delicates to jeans. Its 2.7 cubic feet capacity and 1,300 RPM spin speed ensure clean, fresh laundry without taking up much space. Ideal for apartments, dorms, or RV, the ventless drying system makes setup simple and hassle-free. UL Energy certification gives you peace of mind while saving on power. Compact, efficient, and easy to use, Coolmore is the perfect starter combo for small households. Number 3. Midea Washer-Dryer Combo. Compact but mighty, the Midea Washer-Dryer Combo is a fantastic space saver for apartments, RV, or small laundry areas. It offers a 2.7 cubic foot capacity and 16 wash programs, including steam care for sanitizing and air fluff to keep clothes fresh long after the cycle ends. The overnight wash and dry function means you can toss in clothes at night and wake up to them clean and ready. Its inverter motor is quiet, durable, and energy efficient, making it a smart investment. With convenience, reliability, and compact design, Midea makes laundry stress-free while saving you both space and time. Number 2. LG WM6998HVA. This LG washer-dryer combo combines cutting-edge performance with sleek, modern design. With an impressive 5.0 cubic feet capacity, it handles massive loads effortlessly, perfect for families. Its stainless steel finish resists fingerprints while adding a premium look to your laundry room. Inside, powerful wash jets, steam refresh, and customizable cycles ensure deep cleaning without harming fabrics. Quiet yet powerful, it tackles everything from delicates to heavy-duty messes with ease. Smart features and energy efficiency make it even more appealing. For households that want speed, style, and convenience, this LG combo delivers one of the most advanced laundry experiences available. Number 1. GE Profile PFQ97 HSPVDS. Topping the list is the GE Profile PFQ97 HSPVDS, a true game changer. Its massive 4.8 cubic feet capacity can even handle a king-size comforter, and the 2-in-1 design washes and dries in about 2 hours with no transfers. The ventless heat pump is 50% more energy efficient, while Smart HQ app connectivity lets you control cycles, scan detergents, and receive updates right from your phone. With 12 wash cycles, 14 dryer options, and odor prevention technology, this combo is built for convenience. GE's innovative airflow drying and intelligent dispensing make it the ultimate choice for efficiency, performance, and modern laundry convenience. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best washer-dryer combos you can buy right now. If you're interested in buying any of the products mentioned in this video based on your needs and budget, kindly click the links in the description box below. We'll also be looking forward to seeing your suggestions and comments. If there is a product you'd like us to review, let us know in the comments section and our research team will be happy to make a review of it. Kindly subscribe, like and share this video. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in our next video.